Start every job right with the Husqvarna Effortless Starting 400 series, which offer the best starting performance in their class. Our 435 chainsaw features effortless starting, which uses spring assist and quick spark injection to get your saw running in a flash. An auto-return start-stop switch resets to the on position for trouble-free starts. The 400 series also incorporates air injection cleaning, which keeps large dust and debris particles from reaching the air filter, reducing air filter cleanings and extending engine life. The 400 Effortless Starting series ranges from the lightweight and agile 435 with a 16-inch bar up to the 450 Rancher, which provides a larger 20-inch bar and almost 50% more power to give you a 400 series performance saw that's right for your job. From effortless start to flawless finish. So, when you're ready to get down to business, Husqvarna's 400 Effortless Starting series gives you all the performance you need from start to finish.
The Ego 18-inch Power Plus chainsaw is the newest addition to the Ego chainsaw lineup. Featuring new-to-the-world auto-tensioning technology, it takes all the guesswork out of chain tension. With just the twist of a knob, the Ego 18-inch chainsaw adjusts the tension of the chain perfectly every time. Another innovation is light. The Ego 18-inch chainsaw is equipped with bright LED lights, allowing you to cut at dusk, dawn, or even in the dark when a storm passes through. The 18-inch Oregon bar and chain is paired with the all-new high-powered brushless motor to give you the ability to cut trees up to 30 inches in diameter in a single pass. Ego harnesses the power of the industry's most advanced 56-volt, 5-amp-hour arc lithium battery by delivering over 200 cuts on a single charge. For added safety, the chainsaw brake shuts the blade off immediately. Plunge into thick hardwood with the assistance of the all-metal bucking spikes. Whether you're cutting firewood or clearing a fallen tree after a storm, this chainsaw will do it all. The Ego 18-inch chainsaw is one of the latest innovations from the #1 rated brand in cordless outdoor power equipment. Ego, power beyond belief.
WORX Power Share. Same battery, expandable power. The only battery system versatile enough to power our whole family of 20-volt, 40-volt, and 80-volt tools for your lawn, garden, home, and crafting projects with the same battery. The one-of-a-kind stackable technology allows you to use the same battery for your 20-volt drill, 40-volt blower, 80-volt mower, and in every other WORX and WORX Nitro Power Share product we make. Choose the right amount of power output for every project and move between 20-volt, 40-volt, and 80-volt products with ease without investing in a whole new battery system. Want even more power? PowerShare Pro high-capacity batteries significantly increase your productivity, performance, and runtime to get your job done better and more efficiently. Charge quicker, last longer, do more. Same battery, expandable power.
See it? Saw it with Sunjo. Cut your tree trimming tasks down to size and tackle those tough-to-reach branches with ease with the 24V PS8 LTE 24-volt 8-inch cordless pull chainsaw from Sunjo. Powered by Sunjo's exclusive 24-volt Ion Plus battery system, 24V PS8 LTE's 2.0 amp-hour lithium-ion rechargeable battery offers up to 40 minutes of runtime. Ion Plus offers all of the power and performance of gas with the best of cordless convenience for all your outdoor chores or wherever power's at a premium, without all the fumes, fuss, or tangled extension cords. Cut the cord and cut a cord of wood or trim a load of limbs and logs, all while standing safely on solid ground. Sunjo takes the danger and difficulty out of trimming overgrown trees. Trim out-of-reach branches with the telescopic pole, which extends from 3.7 to 7.2 feet to provide up to 14 feet of overhead reach. Powered by a robust 350-watt motor and revolutionary rechargeable lithium-ion battery power, 24V PS8 LTE's multi-angle head can quickly adjust from 0 degrees to 30 degrees for maximum cutting control. And Sunjo's auto-lubricated 8-inch bar and chain can handle the most stubborn brush, branches, limbs, and logs up to 7.5 inches wide. And every 24V PS8 LTE is backed by Sunjo's complete 2-year warranty for worry-free performance season after season. So when you're in the thick of things, cut your yard chores down to size and go with Joe. The 24V PS8 LTE 24 volt 8-inch cordless pole chainsaw from Sunjoe. Get equipped.
Okay, so that is a NEO-TEC versus a Steel 500i with the same bar and chain. I'll let you guys decide.
Introducing the only chainsaw you'll need for the big jobs that need convenient and reliable high performance. The CS1500 Self-Sharpening Electric Chainsaw from Oregon. Rugged, durable, and easy to use. The CS1500 is as ready to go as you are. Equipped with a powerful 15-amp motor and an 18-inch guide bar, you're able to tackle almost any job. With its low kickback bar and chain, the CS1500 is comfortable and easy to use. The CS1500 is the only self-sharpening corded electric chainsaw on the market. Don't worry if you touch a stone on the ground while cutting. With a simple pull of the red PowerSharp lever, you'll take your chain from dull to sharp in as little as 3 seconds. Oregon's patented PowerSharp technology means you'll never cut with a dull chain again. Perfect for cutting firewood, this low-noise saw is silent between cuts. Enjoy the solid construction of this heavy-duty chainsaw, featuring an automatic chain oiler and toolless chain tensioning system. Offering the ultimate in corded convenience, the CS1500 is built for long jobs that need uncompromised power and precision. Forget about gasoline. This saw starts instantly with no pull cords, warm-up, or gas mixing. Ergonomically designed, this 12-pound saw is well-balanced and fitted with a comfortable handle to reduce fatigue, so you can keep going as long as the job requires. The CS1500 Self-Sharpening Electric Chainsaw from Oregon, the only chainsaw you'll need for the big jobs.
Chainsaw, and it takes, I already had to open it up because I wanted to get these. We have our bar here and a nice protective case. That way you can transport it without slicing yourself up or getting oil from the chain on yourself. And this is a low kickback blade. And once again, 40 volt max, brushless. So that's what you want. You want a nice brushless. All right, let's get the main body out here. Seems pretty lightweight. All right, here we go. And you can see where you put both your batteries on here. So you can see your lock and unlock. So we want to unlock this. There we go. This is a tool-free chain tensioning system, which is nice, because then you don't have to carry around extra tools with you. So this just sits right on there like that. And we can go ahead and put our chain on. And also on here, you can see which way the chain goes. It shows you. So that's how you want to match that up there. See, that's the direction. All you're going to do is put the chain on back through here. All right, so just line the bar up with your chain here. Get it so it's all in there. You can turn this. There we go, now it's all in there. You can see that tightens it right up, but you're going to tighten it once you get it on here. This is just to hold it on to show you guys. So now we can take our piece, put it back on here. There we go. All right, that thing looks pretty sick on there. That's cool. So we got 2 fully charged batteries here. Here, put one on one side, make sure it snaps in. One on the other side, and there we go. And now we just need to fill this, and then we're going to go ahead and grease the tip here. So let's get our bar oil in there. Pour our bar oil in there. But simple as that, high speed and low speed. So here's high speed. That thing rips. And there's low speed.
Alright guys, check it out. I today have a WORKSITE 20 volt brushless cordless chainsaw. So this thing is really cool, really incredible. Couple features on this thing is it does have a detachable battery. So push down on your yellow button, the battery pops out real nice and easy, and it does have a battery gauge on it so you can push the red button to show just your battery charge. So you go ahead and that will slide right back in here and lock in, so you know you're locked in. It does take some bar oil, so you're going to put that in up here. It has a really nice gauge here to show you just how much oil is in your tank. On the front here we have a chain lock, so this will not allow the chain to spin any further. In the event that the chain kicks back, it's going to lock that off. So as it's spinning, your hand is here, it kicks back, it's going to prevent this chain from coming back and injuring you. So really nice safety feature. Over here is your adjustment for your chain. So to tighten up your chain, which I'm going to do, you're going to loosen that nut just a little bit, and you're actually going to spin the chain tight just like that, and then you're going to tighten back up on the big wing nut, and now your chain is tight again. So really simple, super easy design to use. Top safety here, so you're going to push that up to actually start the saw. So you're going to lift that and then squeeze your saw to get this thing fired up. So I'm going to go ahead and cut some stuff and check it out. So again, WORKSITE 10-inch 20-volt brushless cordless chainsaw. Really awesome. Check one out for yourself. Thanks for watching.